Hello students, welcome to Nand Kishore classes science channel. In this today's video, we are going to discuss about the temperature conversions. There are different units for the temperature. I'm writing here like degree Celsius, Kelvin, a degree Fahrenheit. There are more also degree Rankine system. There are many more units of temperature, but we are going to deal with only these types of unit. These three types. Suppose you need to find uh, degree Celsius into Kelvin. You need to convert degree Celsius into Kelvin. This you have to given that convert 20 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. Like this is the question that you have to convert 20 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. How you are going to proceed? See, just add 273.15 in the degree Celsius. You will get Kelvin. What you have said that degree Celsius add 273.15, you will get sir answer in Kelvin. You will get answer in Kelvin. This is the main formula for calculating this. Also, if you want to calculate degree Celsius, then just subtract it. Means degree Celsius will be equals to Kelvin minus 273.15. For calculating degree Celsius from the Kelvin, you can use this formula minus. Like we have to calculate 20 degrees Celsius into Kelvin. So we will add 20 degree plus 273.15, and after adding this, what we will get? So we will get 20 in this 293.15, and the unit becomes Kelvin. Okay, so much easy calculation, not much. Let's see another question. Let me make a space. Like you are given that Kelvin, and you have to calculate in degree Celsius. 300 Kelvin into degree Celsius. Like this is your question. You have to calculate this Kelvin in terms of degree Celsius. So what formula will be used? So this formula will be used. How you will going to solve? So degree Celsius will be equals to K minus 273, means K. This is the value of K. So K will be sir 300 minus 273.15. What you are going to get? So we are going to get, let's see, let's write it as, oh sorry, 300.00. Okay, so first of all, from 10 minus 5 it means 5, then sir 9 minus 1 it will be 8, you have to put point, and then this will become 9, and 9 minus 3 will be so 6, this will be also 9, 9 minus 7 will be 2, and so 3 minus 2, oh sorry, it will be 2, and it will be becoming 0. It means answer in degree Celsius it will be 26.85 degrees Celsius. You can also clarify it, okay, by calculating from the calculator. If you don't know the systematic method, then you can cross verify it from calculator also, but always try to solve like this, okay, and place the unit after the converting using the formula. Okay, if you not put the unit, then you will not get full marks. Okay. Okay, so this is the formula for converting degree Celsius into Kelvin or Kelvin into degree Celsius. Let us see another formula which deals with degree Celsius and Fahrenheit. Let us erase this. Like we have to convert degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. How we will convert this? See, so degree Celsius plus, oh, degree Celsius equals to 9 by 5, sorry, degree Celsius, sorry, what I'm doing, degree Celsius multiply by 9 by 5 plus 32, and you will get the answer in degree Fahrenheit. It means that if you want to calculate degree Celsius into Fahrenheit, what you have to do? Let's suppose you are having 20 degrees Celsius. How many degrees Celsius? 20 degree Celsius, and you need to find it in Kelvin. Oh, sorry, Fahrenheit. Degree Fahrenheit. So how you will going to do? You will simply multiply it with 9 by 5 and add 32 in it. So 20 into 9 by 5 and plus 32. 5 fours are 20, 9 fours are 36. So it will become 36 plus 32. So it will be 6 plus 2, 8, 3 plus 3, 6 degree Fahrenheit. See how much simple formula it is. So this is how you can calculate what degree Celsius into Fahrenheit. Also you can interchange the formula, like you need to find Fahrenheit, you need to find degree Celsius and Fahrenheit given to you. Like what will be degree Celsius in 100 degree Fahrenheit. You are given that 100 degree Fahrenheit and you have to calculate it in degree Celsius. So how you will going to use the formula? In that case, degree Celsius will be equals to, so 5 f minus 32 and multiplying it with 5 over 9. This is how you will solve. Means f will be 100 and putting the values in the formula, 5 over 9, 100 minus 32, 100 minus 32, it will be, so 8 minus 2, 10 minus 2, it will be 8. Then so 10 minus 3, 9 minus 3, it will become 6. It means 68. I'm erasing it, putting it 68 here. So 68 will multiply. After solving this, you will get your answer in the degree Celsius. So this is how simple you are going to solve the questions. Okay, always remember the formula. There are two formulas. I have tell you this formula and the previous one. What is the previous one, sir? Degree Celsius plus 273.15, you will get Kelvin. Answer will be in Kelvin. Okay, so these are the two formulas from which you can able to calculate any types of conversions. Okay, whether it is degree Celsius to Fahrenheit or degree Celsius to Kelvin or Kelvin to Fahrenheit. How you will convert? First of all, Kelvin you will convert it into degree Celsius and then you will use this formula degree Celsius, where it is this formula, to calculate in Fahrenheit. Means you will not go directly, you will get degree Celsius and then you will find degree Fahrenheit, so that we are not able to, because there will be multiple formulas if we will like doing this, that Kelvin to directly degree Fahrenheit. In that case we have to learn multiple formulas. That is why I'm not showing that formula. You just learn these two formula. C into 9 by 5 plus 32 equals to degree Fahrenheit. That formula is this. After using both the formulas, you can correlate with any unit regarding these three. Okay. So I hope you learned something in this video lecture, and you feel whatever, you can write in the comment section and I will be so happy. And let's see in the second video. Let's meet in the second video so that we can earn or learn some more concepts of the science related to science. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in next lecture. Till then, Jai Hind to everyone.